Okay, so I haven't really done a video for a while now, so hopefully you guys were missing me strongly. So today I'm going to do kind of a tutorial, which is always a bit risky when I don't really know whether what I'm going to do is going to work, but and I don't really know if this is a common problem, because it's not something I'd really entertained up to this point. But my GoPro 3 Plus, which I look after, it's not abused. I really haven't used it that much. Like, I'm not anti-GoPro. I think GoPros are great. That's why I bought one. But I didn't use it as much as I thought I would do. Anyway, enough about that. This latch has broke. The other day I was literally trying to clamp it shut, and I don't know if you can see this here. It's kind of, yeah, not ideal. So that is obviously the waterproof housing, so the GoPro goes inside it. Without that, it's kind of pointless having. So what I have now is I went on to our good friend eBay and found ourselves a little packet of joy. I think it was only like £1 or maybe £2, and I have a generic alternative. I mean, the cases are, the official cases are very expensive. I think they're about 40 quid, which, to be fair, like, maybe that's why GoPro are having to fire loads of people, because they think that they have a monopoly on plastic or something. I don't know. I like GoPro, I love their branding and all that sort of stuff, but it's plastic, right? Anyone can make that for cheaper than 40 quid. Anyway, let's have a quick little shifty, shall we, and see how this is going to go on. So, just make sure they are the same. Yeah, it's for the right one. The only difference being that this one doesn't have a GoPro logo on it. I don't know if you can see that on there. Let's see if I can focus on that. Don't know whether you can see that or not, but yeah. So there's a no logo on this one. So what I'll do is I'll see what I've got available to me and try and hook this off of here. As though planned, I have a screwdriver here. Let's see if we can get this off of here then. Oh, this is easy. It's significantly less tight on here than I expected. So I've just pinged this out of here, and I'll get this one. Well, I probably will just be able to pull it out now that the other one's out. Maybe I've... Oh no, there we go. I've spoken too soon. So yeah, there's my broken one. Let's get the new one here. Ping these little bits out so that we've got something to work with. Hook one in. I've never really felt like such a uncoordinated, club-footed mule as I do right now, but there we go. So I think the best thing to do here is like try and bend it a little bit sideways. And get it into this hole, which it doesn't seem to want to go into particularly, to be fair. I don't know if I'm aiming wrong here. No, there we go. And then the other one is literally trying to get in there itself already anyway, which it has now done. So there we go. I mean, I've never done this before, so I'm by far away not a professional GoPro repairist. Now let's have a little look and see if this is going to actually clip together properly. Not really. Let's try and pop that back on and just assume that was a... So that's supposed to go bosh, bosh, bosh. Let's try that again. Did that break? Yeah, I think my new one may have actually straight away broke. Well, that's good. I think the answer to this is... Don't get a shit... oh, there we go. Although, yeah, I think that is a bit pony, if I'm honest. It looks like these little hooks at the back here. Let's see if we can get you to focus on there. Don't know if you can quite make that out. Anyway, it looks like the plastic has just busted straight away on there. Well, that's not very good, is it? Still, at least we can use this as some kind of lesson as to what not to purchase. So whilst GoPro might think they've got a monopoly on making the cases, they evidently can make a better quality latch than whoever this is made by. Generic Chinese company, I would suggest. Anyway, now I get to go through the fun time of returning something on eBay, which for the money, maybe I just won't. Yeah, a bit disappointing really, but there we go. A lesson to everyone. Cheap crap off of eBay sometimes results in disappointment. Still, I mean, with that whole £2 invested. That being said, I saw an aluminium one on online when I was doing a bit of research, so maybe it's worth the extra money to get the aluminium one. Certainly, that one was not worth the money. I'm trying to think of a way I can show you where not to get it from, but yeah, maybe I'll put the link to it in the description or something of that nature. But I'm not really interested in trying to slag off this company until I give them a reasonable right of reply to my problem that I've clearly just had in front of all you guys. Anyway, I'll update the story as to how this goes and whether I get a replacement bit or whether I just have to get an aluminium one. Yeah, we'll see how that goes.